Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you sugar-free orange sherbet. So it's this yummy ice cream made with orange juice, fresh orange juice. I will squeeze oranges and have 500 milliliters of fresh orange juice, and also I'm gonna grate the zest from one of these. I will sweeten it with stevia. I have here half a cup. And I will use it. 200 grams of whipping cream with at least 30% fat, and also I'm gonna use 120 grams of cooking cream with 20% fat. You can use half and half or whole milk. So I start grating the orange zest, only the yellow part, to give more flavor to my ice cream. I will call it ice cream. It's made with fruits and is made with dairy, so ice cream it is for me. I will squeeze the juice now to have 2 cups or 500 milliliters. I will add about half of the sweetener over orange juice. Mix it in to dissolve, and also orange zest to infuse and give more flavor. I will use the mixer to whip up the whipping cream just for a few minutes to have it more airy and fluffy, and I will add over it the other half of the sweetener. I will mix orange juice with cooking cream. And combine the orange juice with the whipping cream. And now if you don't have ice cream machine, you can pour this mixture in a plastic container and have it in the freezer. Take it out from time to time to mix it in and freeze it up. I have ice cream machine, so I'm gonna use it. And to give the orange color, I'm gonna add a few drops of orange food dye. And the ice cream is ready now. It's ready to be eaten as it is, or I will store it in a plastic container with a lid and store it in the freezer until we will be ready to serve it. When you want to serve it, take it out at least 10-15 minutes out from the freezer so you can scoop it up and enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try the recipe and let me know in the comments your thoughts about it. It's gonna be a hot summer, and homemade ice cream with fresh orange juice is just amazing for this time of year. Have a nice day and find reasons to smile, and I will see you here on another recipe. Bye bye.